What is going on, traders? Hope you guys all had a great long weekend. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades that the daily sniper community ended up taking on Friday, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices Tuesday morning. Before we get into today's video, we are offering a 30% off deal happening right now. Use code BOBA, B-O-B-A at checkout. Save yourself 30%. And let's get into today's video. So every single morning, in the Daily Sniper chat room, on our Discord, we are live streaming for the pre-market. We are giving a pre-market analysis. We are giving the best setups at the best prices to be trading at and creating our trading plan. And on Friday, I told everyone in the Discord, my short level is 561.50 to 562. And I wanted calls at 559.61. That was just my trading plan, right? We don't know what's going to happen, but we made a trading plan and we stuck to it. So first thing in the morning, guys, we ended up having a previous closing price here. We were respecting this level in the pre-market as a resistance. As soon as we came up to it in the morning, guys, I ended up alerting puts and I sniped the move. It was a quick snipe. It wasn't meant to be a market crash, hoping for a massive move. It was just a good level, first reaction, sold the move. Next trade, we ended up hitting 561.53. which was the bottom of the channel. 561.50 to 562 was our channel. As soon as we came up to the lower part of the channel, we ended up getting puts. As soon as we broke above it, as well as previous closing price at 561.56. Entered here. As soon as we came up a little bit higher, guys, we ended up doubling down this trade right here. And we caught a freaking bag, guys. It was a one and done trade. Almost everyone in the Discord made a stupid freaking bag, and it goes from making a plan and sticking to it. And that's exactly what we did, and we got paid. The next trade we ended up getting into, guys, was the high of this morning's trading session. As soon as we broke over 562, I ended up bringing 562 same-day puts deep in the freaking money. And if you look, it ended up dropping almost 4 to 5 points from just our entry. We are giving the best levels to be trading at. And whether you're not able to live stream, be a part of the morning live stream, guys, we have a sniper bot. Everything Dimitri and myself says is typed out to the Discord. Everyone's tagged in it. You see the trades we're hitting. You see every possible thing that we're doing when we're live trading, guys. So you don't have to be there and listen to us in our ears. You're getting the live alerts sent to you guys. So let's look at the trading plan for tomorrow. So if you look at yesterday's close, okay, so where we wanted calls, 559.61 first reaction, I ended up bringing 559 calls in the money on this trade right here again. If you look at our key level, right, 559.61, SPY's been respecting it, right? It was a previous resistance of Thursday, right? We held it support temporarily. We had it in the pre-market and in this morning trading session. We broke through it, came back up. Look at the resistance, right? Look at the sell-off. As soon as we come up, we reject 559.61 again. Look at the resistance. Okay, so moving forward into tomorrow, this is a massive level to be watching, 559.61 for a potential call play. So if you look at the 5-minute time frame of the trade of the trading day on Friday, we had what they call an inverse head and shoulders, right? I don't play shapes, but if you use a shape, a bullish or bearish shape at a great level, it's most likely going to work out, right? So we ended up having a nice inverse head and shoulders here. Why don't I trust this move? I'm going to tell you right now. We ended up breaking out of 559.61. We didn't retest this level, right? We came close to it. We didn't retest it, okay? And then we broke through 560, a massive, massive psychological level. 560. We just broke through it. We didn't retest it, okay? And then you look at 561, the previous floor of the morning's trading session. We just ripped through it. We didn't even retest it. And then if you keep going up, you're going to realize 561.70 didn't retest. 562, it did, but 562.50 did not retest, okay? So this was a squeeze. SPY ended up squeezing on Friday afternoon. And that's okay. So what are we going to be trading for Tuesday? What's the best level? So if you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, the last gap to fill on SPY is 564.86. I personally think we did a partial gap close reversal. SPY ended up ripping, and I see us dipping tomorrow morning. And that is what I'm going off of, okay? I just think swinging puts at Friday's close was a great idea. I didn't end up doing it. I'm just saying, like, just looking at the chart, it was such an overreaction trade. I think if you swung puts over the weekend, you're going to make a bag. Personally, I'm not 100% sure. Obviously, if I was, I probably would have swung trade. So we have a high gap to fill, 564.86. If you look at the daily time frame, SPY has been faking out lately, right? Market makers have been doing ultimate bear traps, okay? And I want to show you guys this quick. So, if you look at SPY, right? Basic candles. On Thursday, we had a shooting star candle on the daily time frame. This is supposed to be the most bearish candle you could ever see on any time frame. If you see it on the 1 minute, you're getting a quick sell-off. On the 5 minute, you're getting a deeper sell-off. On the 30 minute, you're getting a massive sell-off. 4 hour trend change daily, boom, right? Look what happened. There was more put to calls on Friday. We were able to identify that SPY was going to reverse. I did not think it would have went all the way to 564, to be honest, but who cares, right? We made our bag for the day. So this just goes to show you can't trade shapes and candlestick patterns. You need to be following the trends. And on Friday, we ended up breaking massive resistance levels, but we didn't retest it. That's why I'm immensely bearish right now, because SPY didn't even retest levels, right? Big freaking levels, especially on the 5 minute time frame. So tomorrow's trading plan, remember, we have a gap to fill, 564.86. This is the best level to be shorting at, small accounts and cash accounts. You don't want to go full size off the bat, because if this level comes to support, we're in no man's land, all-time highs, who knows what's going to happen. First reaction, you hit puts on this level. This is the last gap to fill on SPY. When it comes down to the low side, SPY broke out of 560 and didn't retest it. I know we're coming back to 560, so I'm not going to get bullish until I see a floor, a confirmation of a support at 560. You need to add the previous closing prices to your charts too. I'll do that right now. SPY ended up closing at 563.86. And this itself, guys, the strategy that I teach, the gap close reversal, everyone part of the Daily Sniper knows it. This ends up being your massive level, because I don't know where SPY is going to open, but if we don't end up gapping down, we're floating in this area. If you see 563.86 as support, it's a free dollar move to the gap fill. If we reject this, SPY is going to drop, and it's going to drop heavy. The first place we're going to bounce is all the way at 562. The next level we're going to be dropping to is 561 and then 560. That's the downside that we have. It's a big downside, guys. Like from where SPY just closed at. Big risk, big risk to rewards going both sides, okay? For the calls or the shorts, I'm not buying calls at this level. I saw 560 get broken out of and 561 without being retested. I personally think we go for a pullback. Once we get that pullback, I am hitting calls. SPY is going to rocket to all-time highs. But if we reject 560, that means we put in a lower high and we're going to put in a lower low sub 500. That is just what I am anticipating if we end up getting a very bearish reversal from the lower high. Okay, that is it for me today, guys. If you guys have any questions, please write them in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, BOBA. Use code BOBA, B-O-B-A at checkout. Save yourself 30%. Come and join the best options Discord in the world. We back it a 100%, zero risk, 100% money back guaranteed. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.